Hi people, I'm making mandazi. So this is 2 kgs of flour, a cup for measuring. This is my melted butter or margarine, and this is sugar and milk, my vanilla and cinnamon powder, and this is baking powder and some warm water. Let's get started. Added margarine, melted margarine, cinnamon, baking powder and vanilla. So I'm just going to add oil and water and milk. In process, so just kneading the dough. I've mixed water with warm water, milk, and some sugar for taste. So just do it like this. I've added some this to avoid sticking. Ni kama tu process ya chapo. So the difference between a chapati and mandazi is baking. So chapati you don't put baking powder, but this one you put baking powder. So tutaiweka for 20 minutes. Rest. Another reason why we rest, so they do to rest so that the pieces can double. So that's it. This is, I've put oil to get warm. See how they look. This is a love shape, Christmas tree shape.